Hello everyone, my name is Dante and that's the first lesson about AppScript. AppScript using Google Sheets. Basically, AppScript is what makes it possible to create applications and automations with Google Sheets. So the documentation of a spreadsheet app, documentation is like a manual to do things. It's very good, it's awesome, and it's very easily to read and implement in your code. So I will show you how to use the documentation properly and how amazing is that the spreadsheet app manual and documentation is built. So we have this page, it's class spreadsheet app. If you want to find, just type AppScript spreadsheet and you're going to find the first one. So here we have this spreadsheet app class. It's an object that make it possible to get stuff. So first of all, what it means to get a spreadsheet? To get a spreadsheet, it means that it's showing to the code where the code is going to run or against something. So for example, if I want to get this spreadsheet to make some application or automation, we have three basically options. We have the get active options, we have the ID options and the URL option. So clicking here in this, I have a brand new spreadsheet. There's nothing here for the beginning. So AppScript, open this to create the project. Now we have a blank project, and here I will say something like open the spreadsheet, or better, get the spreadsheet, is not the same. So in the documentation is usually refer spreadsheet as SS, because why we use exactly how the documentation teaches is to make it easily to understand the code that's come from, for example, ChatGPT or some other documentation or some other guy writing code for a spreadsheet around the internet. So we have using all the same names, not exactly all the same, but basically the same. For example, one of them is SS. So SS is basically the file. It's not the spreadsheet. It's not, not the sheet, it's the file. For example, this is the file and this is a sheet. It's two different things. So to get this file, we have three options basically. Spreadsheet app.get active. This way we'll have the get into the current spreadsheet. I have another two options that will be open by ID and open by URL. Those three things will do the same effect. Of course, if you put the properly ID and properly ID. For example, if I want to get this as the ID, I can get this ID is here. It's d slash, and after that comes the ID until the next slash. This is the ID of a spreadsheet. So copy this and paste in here, or you get the whole URL. All of them cause the same effect at this point. For example, if I do var ss equals spreadsheet get active or spreadsheet opened by ID and put the ID or the URL, all of three is going to bring the same results at this point. If I want to stay in one spreadsheet and get another one, it's just to type the open by ID and open by URL of the another spreadsheet. That's the first step. I will start with the easy one. And the next one is sheet. That will be get sheet by name. Will be, for example, sheet 1. There is one case, and another idea we'll be using to get sheets in the plural in here and put just something like that. This one gets the sheet by the index, and the another one will be this one, get the sheet by name. So for example, if I want to get both of them will have the same effect right now. So there's very very usually to do this way. This way is not that usually saw around the internet. So this one will be here. So spreadsheet get active, and after that will be sheet get sheet 1. And after that we have the file, we have the sheets, and we have the range. So like right now we're going to get the range, will be sheet.get range 1, 1. There, that will be the first letter, first column and first row. So for example, if I want to write something in here, or in there, will be set value, something like that. And let's run this thing, and you ask for permissions. It's just one time, this permission. Advanced, go to, and that's it. So that's the first thing you have to do, is to write something. Run. Very cool, right? So it's the idea of setting a value is to write something in the spreadsheet, and another idea will be to read something. So for example, if I want to read this, I can do get value, and after that, inside that I put some console.log. So this console.log will return the value that is written in this cell, as you can see right here. That's it for today. I hope you like. Till the next lesson.